welcome to everyone. Today I received 2 parcels from Dior and CHANEL.com. I bought some pieces for my makeup, for my daily makeup. Now I'll show you unpacking. Something in the pocket, let's unpack it. Small samples. Sublimage Serum under eyes. Rouge Allure Liquid Velvet, I think, lipstick. Oh my god, so dark. I'll show the exact item I bought here, which I received in a very beautiful package. And here it is. The Chanel mascara in noir color. It's number 10. It's waterproof mascara, and I must tell you that this mascara is obviously the best for me. When you use this mascara, you have very expressive look. Definitely advise this product. And that's all from Chanel for today. Oh, what is here? And here we have Dior eyeshadow. It's Dior Show 5 colors. Then we have very pretty small package of Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Start from the secret pocket with samples. A small sample of Lip Maximizer. It's 001 color. What I should tell you about 001 color, it will be very suitable just for defining glossy effect of your lipstick. You would definitely not receive the defined or expressive color because this lipstick, this color, it's almost transparent. Dior Capture Le Serum, also Le Serum Anti-Age. Oh, I'm sorry, but thank you, Anti-Age Serum. I will test it. Then Grease Dior. It's, I think, something from perfume. Oh yeah. Oh my god. No, it's not my. It's definitely not my taste of perfume. Oh my god, what is, how it's called? Grease Dior. Also Dior Home Perfume for men. Okay, let's test it also, how it. Oh, very cool. Oh, this smell is very cool. I will definitely advise this perfume. It's Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. I decided to take the one with metallic or holographic effect. Please look it. Wow, look at this. It seems to me very light and light pink color with a gloss with metallic effect. Very interesting. Okay, this Dior Show 5 colors palette. Let's open it. I think it's rather universal. Of course, I will also show you how it applies, how it looks on me. Today we're only unpacking. And that's all. Today we are finished. I was very glad to see you, and now bye.